Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about something very important, the things you should avoid doing when learning English. We all want to improve, but sometimes we might be doing things that actually slow us down. So let's dive into it.
Number 1, don't focus only on grammar. It's easy to get caught up in memorizing rules, but learning a language is about communication, not perfection. Spending too much time on grammar can make you hesitate when speaking. Instead, practice using the language in real conversations. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes. That's how you learn. Number 2, avoid comparing yourself to others. Everyone learns at their own pace. Just because someone else seems to be improving faster doesn't mean you're doing poorly. Focus on your own progress and set realistic goals for yourself. Celebrate your achievements no matter how small. Number 3, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Fear of making mistakes can hold you back from speaking and practicing. Remember, making mistakes is a natural part of the learning process. Every time you make an error, you get closer to mastering the language. So, speak up right and learn from the feedback you receive. Number 4, don't rely only on classroom learning. While classes are important, they aren't the only way to learn English. Surround yourself with the language. Watch movies, listen to podcasts, read books, and engage with native speakers. The more you expose yourself to English in real-life contexts, the faster you'll improve. Number 5, don't skip the listening practice. Listening is a crucial skill that many learners overlook. By listening to native speakers, you can improve your pronunciation, understand different accents, and get a feel for natural speech patterns. So, make sure you include listening practice in your routine. So, to recap, don't focus only on grammar, avoid comparing yourself to others. Don't be afraid of making mistakes, don't rely only on classroom learning, and don't skip the listening practice. Remember, learning English is a journey and it's okay to take it one step at a time. Keep practicing, stay motivated, and most importantly, enjoy the process.